Shane and I had been to 3 local clinics, one in our state and 2 in another state, and we decided that neither of them felt like home. Kind of felt like this feeling of not being at peace and feeling like, you know what, I can do better. I need to find the best. And through what I learned about Barbados, I knew that I would feel like it was a U.S. clinic, but with better customer service. And so we decided, you know what, that sounds like a great 2-for-1 deal. We got to do the vacation aspect and the IVF aspect in one. I can say with a surety that Barbados met all my expectations. I arrived and the building was beautiful. I was welcomed with hugs and handshakes. We just felt like we're long lost friends, and that's really what I was looking for. I was married on the island of Hawaii, and so I'm familiar with beautiful places, but I would say Barbados beaches top Hawaii beaches. It's absolutely beautiful. You immediately feel this shift of weight off your shoulders. You're not thinking about work. You're not thinking about the hustle and bustle of American life.
I came here to support her for the second half of the IVF process. I came to explore Barbados too and to just have fun with her on the island.
All of a sudden you're in the Caribbean and you get to think about how long am I going to sit on the beach today after my appointments. It's very easy to just wander around the island and explore.
I like that everybody's kind of on island time. It's a nice break from the really fast pace we have in America.
Our favorite thing was the Oyston's Friday night fish fry. I loved the dancing and just you get kind of a glimpse of the culture.
We saw the best dancers I've ever seen in my life. They danced 10 times better than I ever could.
There's great choices here on the island in regards to food. I've tried roadies while here. I've tried fish cutters from the truck stands, and they're amazing.
We went to an area where it was like a cliff with an overlook of the ocean, and we got to explore these caves and these really small beaches where nobody else was there.
You can either rent snorkel gear or bring your own and kind of swim around, and it's crystal clear so you can see everything. I love that.
There are days during IVF when you're just waiting, and that could drive you crazy if you're just at home, but if you're on an island, you're distracted by the beaches and the new places to explore and the foods to try. I mean, all day yesterday we just had fun, and it's almost like she was able to forget for a moment the stress that comes along with any IVF process, and I feel like she was taken well care of here.
There's just this lovely vibe that comes with Barbados Fertility Centre where the staff seems to be busy, they're buzzing around, but they really seem to enjoy what they do. They've got smiles on their faces. They're not acting like I'm just a number and just someone to push in and out of the door.
I think it helps that she knows that the people here at the center care for her. I saw her struggling in the States to find people that express their genuine concern as well. We have good memories that we've built here in Barbados, and we were able to spend time together as sisters and just explore a new place.
I mentioned to my husband several times since arriving in Barbados and meeting BFC that I know that I found the right place. I feel at peace here. I know that I'm in the best hands possible. IVF is such a scary process. It's not easy. It's mentally challenging on every level. Barbados Fertility Centre helps you feel like they've got your back. They're your #1 support. And I would highly recommend it to anyone to come to Barbados Fertility Centre. It's just all around worth it to come to Barbados and receive the best care that you can.